The pooling layer downsamples. Maximum pooling takes the largest value, while average pooling takes the mean. The robot is overloaded with information.
After convolution, CNN creates large feature maps. Processing all this information can be slow and expensive.
Pooling helps reduce feature map size while keeping the most important information. Max pooling looks at a small region and keeps only the highest value.
Pooling reduces memory usage, speeds up learning, and helps CNN focus on important features. In CNNs, pooling comes after convolution and helps the network make accurate predictions. Pooling equals feature map reduction. Max pooling equals keep highest value. Benefits: faster plus less memory plus better learning.
Image,
Image.
convolution, pooling, classification.
We did it! Yes!